Hey guys, so today I want to show you a really quick tip. If you have NBP Actions 13 randomizers and you have NBP CMX2, you can use them together to create endless palettes and save them as presets so you can play with them later. And I do mean endless. So check out how this works. So on the randomizers collection, we have all kinds of choices, but I'm going to go ahead and start with Random Grade Wild. Okay, we have two shots here by my friend Sanjeev, and they're really great. You can see more of his work in a link in the description. So let's go with Random Grade Wild on our long exposure shot here. Okay, we hit continue and we start looking at what we're doing here. Randomize. You know what? That green tone already works. I'm even going to expand the blend diff a little stronger just to get colors. Now I have greens. So check this out. I can go to CMX2 while it's open, hit analyze. Boom. And I get a palette from there. I can expand it further. Cool. I can go to my presets and hit the plus and save it. There it is. See that? And then I can come in here and I can, open the same gradient if I want. Let me move this to the side and I can just keep hitting randomize. I don't know what that is, but let's see. Analyze. And I got a cool gradient there. Let's say I like it. Come back here. Save. There it is. And I've got another one. You can see how we can keep doing this. So I'm going to go over here to this other image. Let me move some palettes around here. And let's try another one here on the randomizers. How about color grade neon? Let's try that one. All right. Let's see. Randomize, randomize, randomize. There's some blue tones. CMX2, analyze. Boom. Now we have blue tones. I can come to my presets and save. Okay, you see how this is going? You just have randomizer actions that you can just open one of them up and then just keep, like I said, keep opening up the properties here and just keep exploring and constantly hit randomize until you get some cool colors. And even the more, less obvious, I should say, grades. So for example, let's find something that's going to be a little bit more subtle. I'm sure I'll pop into one immediately here soon. Come on. It's on neon, so subtle is not going to be the order of the day, but let's see. Okay, so it's not, well, there you go. That looks almost like just old film or something, right? So I can hit analyze on that and I get, it's found minimal palette. See how CMX2 kicked in and said, well, there's three really basic colors here. And I can also save that one. And now I have a very interesting palette. I would never have made a palette like that intentionally with that lavender to kind of medium blue to that cyan, but I think it's really cool. Who knows where I could use it? So if you get Actions 13, there's also a few more options to it. It's really, really cool. And then with CMX2, you can literally explore color randomly all day long, save palettes, and you have massive collection if that's what you want, or to put them together, like I said, for an upcoming project. So check that out. You can find information on Actions 13 randomizers and of course CMX2 in the description.